How are you today, Vin? Very good. Today, you ready? Okay. Now, Vin, let's start with your camping or camp. Okay. If you go camping, you will go over here in the mountain or in the forest. Okay. Now you will bring this if you go to the forest. A map. Or you can buy this a ticket. Or you will bring this backpack. And this one too, you will bring that one. Sleeping. And you will sleep in the tent. Okay, or you will bring this flashlight. Or you can make a
campfire.
very good. Now let's go to the park. In the park you can go picnic. Okay? And you will eat. What do you like to eat? Sweet potato. Okay, very good. How about this? What is this? Do you like to eat hamburger? No. How about this one? Chips. Yes, you like the one? Yes. How about this? You can drink this? Lemonade. Do you like lemonade? Yes. And you will bring this. What is that? Blanket. Or you can eat a sandwich. Or you will bring this. A basket. And you can eat a hot dog. And you can drink. Okay? Or you can eat and cook. Now, in the playground, what do you like to play? I like to play a slide. Oh, how about this? What is this? It's a seesaw. Or you can play in the swing. Okay? Or you can fly a kite. Or ride a scooter. Or you can play this basketball or a ball. Okay? Or you can climb in the monkey bars. What is this? A tree. The tree, is it a big or small? Big. Very good. Or you can ride a bicycle or a bike. Or you can play this bubbles. Or you can sit in the bench. Or you can do slide. Very good. Now, can you say thank you, teacher? And bye-bye!